Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host, Pinky. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm beginning with my hair already in like 2 pigtails already. But in order to make it, more sleek, I'm going to take this Cream of Nature Edge Control Extra Hold and apply it to my edges. And then I'm going to take a brush and, lay these edges down. I'm not doing any baby hair because you can't see it. My hair is blonde. And so now I'm going to take a scrunchie and do a tight little ponytail there. And I'm going to take the excess hair sticking out and make 2 chunky braids just so that I can make the tightest little balls possible. And once I do both sides, I'm going to basically wrap the braids around and tie those down with a scrunchie. Next, using equal Cuban twist double strand style Marley hair that I just picked up from my local beauty supply store and the color 27613. To be real with y'all, this hair is really old, but I just came across it and I decided, I'm gonna do some cute little styles with it since it matches my hair. So I'm gonna take like 1 whole pack and separate it in half and kind of adjust the hair so the ends overlap. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to take a scrunchie and like wrap it around so I can hold it all together. And I'm going to take this whole thing and use it for one side of my hair. Here you see me like wrapping the scrunchie around it and then flipping the hair over. And I'm going to take the excess hair and push it underneath so you can't, easily see it. And at this point, I'm just like gathering it together just to make sure it looks right. Now I'm going to take these elastic rubber bands that I got from Walmart. They were super cheap, but honestly, I don't recommend using these because they easily broke. But I'm just going to show you how I used them anyway. As you can see, I'm wrapping the hair around the ponytail, leaving enough space for there to be a ball. I didn't really do anything special other than just wrapping a rubber band around it. I thought it would be so much more difficult to do, but actually the balls create themselves. You just have to wrap the ponytail around them. And as you can see, I'm just adjusting and making sure it's round looking and hiding all the excess strands. And once I do that, I just basically space them out for however big I want the balls to be. And yeah, just do the same thing all the way down. Like I said, you want to make sure you choose some elastic rubber bands that are somewhat strong and maybe a little bit bigger than the ones I chose, because I did have ones that popped afterwards. At this point, I'm just taking some excess hair and wrapping it around the base. And I'm going to take some bobby pins and pin it in place so that it does not move. And also I'm going to pin like any excess hair that may be sticking out. And voila, 2 bubble ponytails that are really cute and dramatic, but I'm really feeling them. I've seen people do 1 ponytail, but I thought it would be even cuter to do 2. So let me know what you guys think about this down below. Will you be trying this? How do you think it looks? And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.